Hello world, welcome to our channel Logical Programming. In this video, we are going to develop a program for a prime number. And this is the first video of our new playlist, Basic Programs of C Language. So let's start to typing. I'm using Dev C++ IDE here for coding in C language. And here we need a library. So I'm going to include stdio.h and a main function into main. And in this main function I need three variables: int count equal to 0, int I, and int number to get input from user. So let's take input from user, scanf %d, and ampersand number. And now we need a loop. We can take any loop. I'm using loop for loop I equal to 1. I is less than or equal to number, I plus plus. And in for loop we need a if condition. If number modulus I equals 0, then increment count plus plus. And after for loop we need to check another condition. If count equals 2, then it is a prime number. Printf %d is prime number, comma number. Else printf %d is not prime number, comma number. So let's execute this program, compile and execute. So here our program is run, successfully compiled and executed. So here is a program wanted some input, so give her input. So 7 is prime number. Let's change a little in program. Here printf enter any number and compile and execute. So here Yax enter a number. Let's enter 21, and 21 is not a prime number because it can be divided by 7. So hope so you understand this video. Please like this video and ask in comment if you have problem, and please subscribe for getting notification to another new videos, and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.